I found what I was looking for. I found what I was looking for. Okay. Can we have fun? We don't have to be serious all the time, right? Hey guys, it's Stephanie. So today, a little bit different video than I normally shoot, which is a review. And the reason why I wanted to do this review is because I was looking for a really inexpensive but sturdy product to do overhead video with. So I have found through another YouTube channel, thank God, the Creative Rotating Holder. It is about $13 and change on Amazon, and it is super sturdy. So let me show you what it looks like. So I'm going to show you what this actually looks like put together in the next section of this video, and then I'm actually have a video shot with this mechanism so you can see the overhead video, what it looks like. And this is great for bloggers or for foodies or for whatever it is, a creator, artist, and you want to shoot overhead video with your smartphone. So you just screw it in like this, and here is the part where you will put your phone, and it does fit larger iPhones. Just take the case off. And here's the part where you clamp into the table. Super easy, super sturdy, and this I could actually do exercises with because it's really strong. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link below to this product directly purchase. You can purchase it right on Amazon. And I'm going to show you, just stick around to the end of the video. You'll see a little note at the end that I wanted to tell you. Really important, so stick around to the end. Okay, until next time. Okay, so here it is fully assembled. As you can see right here, I have it clamped into my table, which is just about 3 inches wide. This is where you adjust it. And I also have it attached to my phone, which is the iPhone 8 Plus, so you can use the larger iPhones. However, you cannot have a case on the phone. You'd have to take it off. It doesn't extend, this part doesn't extend that far out. But you can rotate it, move it all around wherever you want. So that is how it looks, fully assembled. You can push it closer to the table. I can't do it with my one hand, or bring it up if you want. Or you can even, if you want to do selfies, okay? So you can bring this up. Again, I can't really do it with my one hand, but whatever angle you want, it totally is secure. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a video I'm making with the overhead camera. And voila, hands-free, perfect.